lots of earnings after the bell. We're first going to start with that. We'll start out also with tech giant Cisco beating on the top and bottom line, jumping in the after-hours trade. Corporate customers, they're resuming the projects that they've delayed during the recession. Plus, the company saying that it expects third-quarter sales to jump 23 to 26% from a year ago. And more earnings after the bell. Visa higher, too, after the bell, coming in ahead of expectations. And the company raised its full-year forecast for sales growth. Consumers, they're using more credit and debit cards instead of cash. Well, we also got to talk about Toyota. Pim, you mentioned that U.S. Transportation Secretary Ray LaHood stepped up the pressure on Toyota to fix the millions of defected cars. The secretary told a House panel that drivers should stop driving the recalled cars, but LaHood reversed course, telling reporters he misspoke. Now on to the market action today. As you mentioned, the S&P and Dow finishing the day lower, giving back a bit of the rally that we saw on Monday and Tuesday. Two factors played into this drop. That's earnings and also the economy. Well, service part of the economy expanding in January for the first time in 3 months, though it was less than expected. And that could be a sign that the recovery will be slow to spread from manufacturing to the rest of the economy. In the meantime, the ADP report out earlier today, that's a good indication of what we're going to see with the jobs report on Friday. ADP saying companies cut 22,000 jobs in January. And that's the fewest in 2 years and better than expected. Now let's get to earnings. Most companies, they continue to beat expectations, but Pfizer definitely disappointed today. The drug maker missing estimates on costs from the Wyeth acquisition, and that definitely weighed on healthcare stocks today. And truck leasing company Ryder tumbled, worst performer in the S&P. Company posted a 2010 forecast and fourth quarter profit that missed estimates. But there were some bright spots in the market today. We have to mention that McDonald's finished the day in the green after it was added to Goldman's conviction buy list. And Lexmark, it's now a top pick over at Citigroup.